Modern 3-axis and 5-axis cutting machines require exceptional precision, rigidity, and motion stability to achieve high-quality machining results. Whether in CNC machining centers, laser cutting systems, waterjet cutting machines, or multi-axis milling heads, the performance of the rotary axis directly affects cutting accuracy, surface finish, and overall productivity. Honpine Harmonic Rotary Actuators are specifically engineered for high-precision rotary motion in demanding industrial automation and machine tool applications. By integrating a precision harmonic drive reducer, motor interface, high-rigidity bearing, and output flange into a compact unit, they provide a complete rotary motion solution that simplifies mechanical design and reduces assembly complexity. Compared with traditional transmission systems, harmonic rotary actuators deliver near-zero backlash, high torque density, outstanding positioning accuracy, and excellent repeatability. Their compact structure allows machine builders to reduce the size and weight of rotary axes while maintaining exceptional stiffness and reliable long-term performance. In 5-axis machining, even a small angular deviation can affect the machining quality of complex surfaces. Honpine Harmonic Rotary Actuators provide precise and smooth rotary motion, enabling accurate tool positioning, faster response, and stable cutting performance during continuous multi-axis operation. These actuators are widely used in CNC machine tools, 3-axis and 5-axis cutting machines, swivel heads, laser cutting equipment, waterjet cutting systems, plasma cutting machines, woodworking machinery, stone processing equipment, mold manufacturing, aerospace machining, and precision automation equipment. With high precision, compact integration, high rigidity, and reliable motion control, Honpine Harmonic Rotary Actuators help equipment manufacturers improve machining accuracy, optimize machine performance, and accelerate the development of next-generation intelligent manufacturing systems.